My name is Rosdali Matrias Dahi and I am a sociology student. Today, I would like to share my reflection about my English class during this semester. I will talk about my experience, my favorite and less favorite activities, how I use AI and my suggestion for the class. At the beginning of the semester, I felt nervous and afraid. My English skills were still limited, so I was worried that I could not follow the class well. I also felt challenged because students were encouraged to use English as much as possible. However, I was happy because I knew this class could help me improve my English skills. The point system for speaking also motivated me to participate more in class. I think I was a very good student. I attended classes, completed assignments, and participated in class activities. However, I still had some weakness during presentation. I often looked at my notes or my pen because I was not confident enough to speak without help. I also made mistakes in pronouns and grammar. In my opinion, using Indonesian in class was very helpful. Not all students have the same English ability. Sometimes Indonesian help me you understand instruction, materials, and assignments more clearly. However, I think English should still be used more often so students can improve their speaking and listening skills. I think the lecture tried many ways to make students feel comfortable. We had group discussion, question and answer session, and a point system for speaking English. These activities encouraged students to participate. However, some students, including me, still felt nervous. I think the main reason was a lack of confidence and fear of making mistakes. My favorite activity was group discussion. I enjoy discussing ideas with my friends in a relaxed atmosphere. I felt more comfortable speaking in a small group than speaking in front of the whole class, because that group discussion became my favorite activity during the semester. When I had reading assignment, I usually read the article carefully first, then I looked up difficult vocabulary and tried to understand the main ideas. During group discussion, I shared my opinions and listening to my friends' opinions. I think these activities were important because they helped me improve my English and learn from others. The activity I disliked the most was presentation. I often felt nervous. When speaking in front of many people, I was afraid of making mistakes in pronouns and grammar. Because of that, presentation were the most challenging activity for me. I used AI quite often in my English learning process. Usually, I used AI to check grammar, find the meaning difficult words, improve sentence, and understand materials. In my opinion, AI is very helpful. However, students should still practice independently and not depend completely on AI. In my opinion, the class has already been very helpful. However, I would like to suggest more speaking activities in a relaxed atmosphere. For example, simple conversation and interactive discussion. I think these activities can help students become more confident in speaking English. Now, I would like to explain my comic reflection. In the first panel, I introduce my comic. The comic tells my journey in English class during this semester. In the second panel, I saw my feelings at the beginning of the semester. I felt very nervous and afraid because my English skills were still limited. I worried that I could not understand the lessons or communicate well in English. In the third panel, I show my lecturer and my classmates. The lecturer encouraged us to ask English as much as possible. My friends also participate in class activities. This made the classroom environment more active and supportive. In this panel, I saw the point system in our class. When students spoke English, they could get points. At first, I was shy, but getting points made me feel happy and motivated. This panel showed my motivation. The point system encouraged me to speak more English. Even when I made mistakes, I wanted to keep trying and improve myself. In this panel, I saw the happy moments in class. I enjoyed learning English with my friends. We discussed many topics, shared ideas, and learned together. These activities made the class more enjoyable. This panel showed that I still have many things to learn. English is not easy for me. I still make mistakes in pronunciation, grammar, and speaking. However, I continue to learn and practice. In the last panel, I saw my goal for the future. I want to become more confident and improve my soft skills. I will continue learning, practicing, and trying my best. Throughout this comic, I want to show that learning English is a process. At first, I was afraid and lacked confidence, but later I become more motivated and comfortable in class. Although I still need a lot of practice, I believe I can improve my English in the future.
Hello, I would like to ask a question here, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Julius Ivandata. What is the biggest thing you learned from this English class? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ivan, for question. My answer: the biggest thing I learned from this English class is confidence. Before joining this class, I was afraid to speak English. However, I learned that making mistakes is a normal part of learning. This class helped me become more confident and willing to try. In conclusion, this English class has been a valuable experience for me. At the beginning of the semester, I felt nervous and lacked confidence because my English skills were still limited. However, through class activities, discussion, and the encouragement from my lecturer and classmates, I became more motivated to learn and practice English. Although I still make mistakes and need to improve my vocabulary, grammar, and speaking skills, I feel that I have made progress compared to the beginning of the semester. This class taught me that learning English is not only about language skills, but also about having the courage to try and not being afraid of making mistakes. I will continue learning and practicing so that I can become more confident in using English in the future. Thank you for listening.